Charm of the Oriental world. Timeless fragrance. The most precious wood on earth. This humble-looking tree is no ordinary tree. As a healthy tree, the Aquilaria tree is worth next to nothing. However, when wounded, the natural defense system of the infected wood produces fragrant resin called agarwood, and the tree becomes a valuable commodity.
I always say this is my lover. I hug it because it's very expensive, and this tree can give me 100 to 200,000 revenues. One is ready for me to harvest.
A sick tree is now called the wood of gods. The uses of agarwood transcends the borders of nations and religions. Agarwood has been used for medicinal, aromatic, and religious purposes. The international trade in agarwood involves hundreds of tons worth billions of US dollars annually.
Now we only can supply 25% of the global market's demands.
The incredible selling price, which exceeds the price of gold, has given agarwood the name the black gold of the forest.
So 2007, they set this standard, super grade A, the highest quality one, 25,000 ringgit and above.
In many countries of Southeast Asia, the Aquilaria tree has become very rare due to excessive logging. It is said that the wild Aquilaria tree will be extinct in the next 5 years. Not all Aquilaria trees produce agarwood. Only 1 out of 10 wild Aquilaria trees contains agarwood. Because it is extremely difficult to judge from outside a tree, cutting down the tree is the only way to find out if it contains agarwood. As a result, many trees have been chopped down indiscriminately. Besides, many unscientific ways have been used with the hope to stimulate the formation of agarwood. To prevent the Aquilaria tree from extinction due to excessive logging, CITES has listed Aquilaria tree as an endangered species. However, there has been only partial implementation of CITES controls.
It cannot be stopped 100%. That's the reason why they try to enhance it again and again. But I would say you have to stop certain level, but it cannot 100% stop.
Illegal syndicated gangs, some with firearms, is one of the major challenges confronting the local authorities. In conjunction with the mission of CITES in preserving the Aquilaria tree, several efforts have been made by Malaysia Forestry Department. A standard operating procedure is adopted for use by all the states in peninsular Malaysia to control the harvest, trade, and processing of the Aquilaria tree. Since agarwood is also known as the wood of gods by the locals, spiritual ceremonies will be performed as a symbol of respect before chopping down the tree. As in the case of many other expensive products, there is an influx of fake agarwood products in the market. These fake products are referred to as black magic wood.
Yes, there is the fake agarwoods. Because, let's say I take these woods, the structure is about like agarwoods. How to see whether it's agarwood? By smelling and see the darkness of the oil level. So I take this one, I soak into agarwood oil for months. So of course the oil will seep into the wood structure, right? So you smell it, got a smell. And you burn it, also got smell.
It requires special expertise and experience to identify genuine agarwood products. Cultivation is the only solution to provide sustainable supply to the high demand. It is also the only way to prevent the extinction of wild Aquilaria trees. To plant the Aquilaria tree is not an issue, but how to ensure the formation of agarwood in a cultivated environment? R&D has been carried out, and different cultivators have different methods.
Inoculation process, first, we normally have to check the species, what species, about average the size. Then only we can decide the amount of the contents of the vaccines, because not apply to all, because a big tree need more. After drilling the hole, then we will inject the vaccine into this.
However, since this is a young industry, Malaysia has yet to produce agar wood from cultivated trees. There is also no guarantee of high-quality agar wood in return. Constant R&D effort is needed from both the government agency and the cultivators to ensure Malaysia will emerge as the major exporter of agar wood in the world. The high demand of wild agar wood has run the Aquilaria tree to the brink of extinction. The fate of wild Aquilaria trees strongly depends on the enforcement of laws and the success of R&D in the cultivation industry. Gifted with an abundance of natural resources and strong support from the government to develop this industry, Malaysia is aimed at becoming the greatest exporter and trader of agar wood in the region. Most importantly, cultivation of agar wood gives our next generation an opportunity to witness the wild Aquilaria tree.